So hello dear students, this is our second video of RS Aggarwal Class 8. In last video we have completed RS Aggarwal Class 8 Chapter 1 Rational Number, question number 1, 2 and 3, and today in this video I will complete from the next. Let's start. Our number 4 question, chapter number 1, exercise 1a. Number 4 question is expressed in standard form. That is the question of total number of 4. Okay. So the first one term is, what is the meaning of standard form? The meaning of standard form is a number in the form of a and b, in where a and b has no common divisor except of 1. Okay. So let's start with the number 1. Let's start with the number 1 solution. The number 1 question is minus 12 by 30. Okay, if there in the denominator is positive number, therefore just you have to find that number in which through which we can divide both the number 12 and 30, and the number is, we can divide it by 6. 6 to the 12 and 6 5 the 30. So the answer is minus 2 and 5. We know that minus 2 and 5 both are the prime number and there is no common divisor except of 1. Okay, so that is the number 1 solution. Hope you have completed. And the number 2 question is minus 14 by 49. Number 2 question is minus 14 by 49. Okay, so here also the denominator is positive number, so just we have to find that number so that both the number is divided, and we know that 14 and 49 both are divided by 7. 7 to the 14 and 7 7 is 49. So the answer is minus 2 by 7. So we know that 7 is the prime number, so there is no common divisor between the 2 and 7 except of 1. Hope you have completed your doubt. Okay, number 3 question is Number 3 question is 24 by minus 64. So what you have to do, if there in denominator there is a negative number, if there is a negative number in the denominator, therefore you have to just to make it the positive, you have to borrow minus 1, and through which you have to multiply both the number numerator and denominator. That is the process. And minus 64 into minus 1, lower one is multiplied with minus 1, so upper one also multiplied with minus 1. So the answer is minus 24 by 64. Now we can divide both the number. 8 3 is 24 and 8 8 is 64. So that is the answer, minus 3 by 8. We know that 3 is the prime number, so there is no common divisor between 3 and 8 except of 1. So now you can ask me that why you have multiplied with minus 1 at the denominator. The meaning is, actually, according to the rational number definition, we know that rational number is a number that is in the form by p by q, in where denominator never be 0. Denominator never be 0, but here the denominator is in the negative form, so we have multiplied here with the minus 1. Okay, let's start with the next number question. Next number question is number 4. Number 4 question is minus 36 by minus 63. Here also the denominator is in minus form, so we have to multiply minus 63 with the minus 1, upper one also multiplied with the minus 1. So the answer is 63 and minus plus 36. And is it divided by any of number? Yes, it is divided by 3 to the 6, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3 and 3 to the 6. Is it divided to 12 and? Yes, 3 4s are 12 and 3 7 21. So that is the answer. The answer is 4 by 7. Hope you have cleared in the expressing the standard form number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I am going to the next number. The next number is called, which of the two rational number is greater in the given pair? You already have book, I think. So the question is, which of the following rational number is greater in the pair, is greater in the pair. So the number one question is called what? The number one question is 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 0. We know that 3 by 8 and 0, 3 by 8 is a that's mean rational number, and 0 is a whole number, and that's mean we can directly tell that the 3 by 8 is greater than 0. You already know that 3 by 8 is greater than 0 because every of the positive number is starting from the 0. Every of the that's mean rational number, that's mean starting from the 0, and the number will continue. Okay. So then I am going to the next. The next question is minus 2 by 9 and 0. Next number is minus 2 by 9 and 0. Number 2 is minus 2 by 9 and 0. So we can directly tell that minus 2 by 9 and 0, that is the negative number. So negative number in numbers, in number system, the 0 is placed in the middle, and in the that's mean that side, that's mean right hand side, there is a that is a left hand side, there is a negative number, and in the right hand side there is a positive number. Okay, so there is a negative number, so negative number always lower than 0. So the answer is like this way, minus 2 by 9 is lower than 0. Hope you have cleared your doubt. Okay, if any of question, therefore I am giving my number also, as well as our website link also at the below section, so that if any of the questions, if any particular questions in any problem, you can directly call me at any time. Okay, so that is the number 3 question is called number 3. Number 3 question is minus 3 by 4. Number 3 question is minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Number 3. So what about the answer? My dear students, the answer is like this way. We know that positive number is always greater than the negative number. That is the number 3 question. Okay, I am going to the last number of this question. That's mean number 5 questions, last number, because all are very easy. The last question is told about the number 6. I am going to the directly, I am jumping to the directly to the number 6 because every question is very easy. You can that's mean solve by yourself. The question is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Now here the question is minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. So how is it possible? So in this type of question, here in the denominator nothing, here in the denominator nothing matlab there is 1. Okay, so if we make it the same denominator, then it will directly we can tell that which one is greater and which one is lower. Okay, the first one is minus 1 by 2, second one question is minus 1. There is nothing, that's mean there is 1. Okay, so I am making the same denominator. Here the denominator is 2, so I have to make, that's mean the same denominator, so I can multiply it with the 2, so that the both the denominator will same, number 1 and number 2, and here the lower one is multiplied with 2, so upper one is also multiplied with 2. So what about the quotient? 2 ones are 2 and the upper one is minus 2. So here the problem is, first one is 2 minus 1 and here is 2 minus 2. So we can directly tell that which one is greater and which one is lower now. Okay, so tell me which one is greater and which one is lower. Tell me. Minus 1 by 2 and here is minus 2 by 2. So we know that, that's mean in negative number of form, the number which is lower, that is greater. So we can directly tell that this one is greater. So minus 1 by 2 is lower than minus 1. That is the answer of number 6 question. Hope you have cleared your doubt. Okay, I am going to the next number. I am going to the next number, and that is the number 6. So that even every day I can at least complete the 3 questions. And number 6 question is told, which of the two rational number is greater in the given pair? Which of the two rational number is greater? That is our number 6 question. Okay, so which of the two rational number is greater? And the number one problem is minus 4 by 3, and last one minus 8 by 7. So how is it possible? Both the denominator is different. So in that case, just you have to write the number at first, and that is the first, and the second number is minus 8 by 7, that is the second. Okay, to make it same denominator, at first make it same denominator. To make it same denominator, you have to just find the LCM of 3 and 7. We know that 3 and 7 both are the prime numbers, so LCM is not possible. So if the LCM is not possible, then you have to just multiply both the number. 3 into 7 is 21. So here I am making both the denominator 21. So how 3 is making 21? By multiplied with the 7. So here lower one is multiplied with 7, upper one also multiplied with 7. So the answer is what? Minus 28 by 21. So now that is also 7 into 3. How is it possible 21 to make? By multiplying with the 3. Here I have multiplied the lower one number by 3, so I have to multiply upper one number also by 3. So upper one is minus 24 by 21. Now I can easily tell that I already told that if then in the negative number of form, the number that is the lower, that is greater, and that the upper one number is lower. Okay, so I can easily tell that minus 4 by 3. The question is which of the two rational number is greater? So minus 4 by 3 is greater than minus 8 by 7. Okay, clear your doubt? Okay, next day I will complete the next questions also. That is the number 6. I think you cleared. If any of questions in the next number also, then please call me. You can call me at any time. Okay, as well as you can also follow the link at the description box. As well as if any of the questions from the day by day, I will also complete the next chapter also. Please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.